My dep on my way I come down for half a day.
So about what, 5 minutes?
5 minutes me there your foot.
Alright.
Ah. Yeah, let's go inside. Well, I see it, bro.
Okay, man.
Yeah.
So, we'll clear phase 2.
Alright.
Phase 2 is a go.
Yeah, man.
Because,
We are going to clarify phase 2. Because right now, I have come from after the from one structure, reach second floor. The man goes to start deck or whatever they start. Plus, this is some other land where you can still them up pay them to up them down too. So you know we have to urge it.
alright, well, the most important thing is to get the original documents. You understand? So, clear my name on that. Now, phase 2. This is what phase 2 is. Alright, you can't approach it directly. So, I have to get another entity involved. Now, the plan we me have is based on the fact that me already have the papers. If somebody run in on them now, they don't have no approval.
Good.
So, what I want you to do for me, I want you to find somebody who can get some iguana lizard.
Iguana. Well, I know when you think you are thinking, you really are thinking.
Exactly. Because if we can show say up the sun is a haven for the iguana who are in danger, then NEPA will make them stop construction.
You know that make whole heap of sense. Because come to think that, who them can blame for that?
Nature.
The iguanas.
So we just need to get probably 2 or 3 the most. Let them go up on the side. You get footage of them on the side, make it look like that them natural habitat that is being disturbed by the construction. Send that to NEPA and then they will do the rest.
That's easy.
But the thing is now, me's a town man. We don't really know nobody where we can go on that and find iguana. You know of anybody?
You know me know the right person.
Really?
Yeah, man. Say less. Me have that fix.
Good. Good. So, I have one more good news for you.
Yeah?
Yeah. I have the title.
Cha-cha. Listen, me just have come off of the phone and talk to somebody I can't where they over the that man there.
I'm fine, I'm going to see where I was trying to go
That's it.
and get everything. All the documents in there, the plan, the whole plan, everything.
Well, guess what? We have this one. Bam.
Great.
That's it.
Alright, make up on the road. But just deal that quick and fast.
That's not nothing, man. Me have it now.
Alright, cool. Yeah.
And thanks for passing by.
Yeah, man, blessings, cool.
This is one from a friend.